So you've heard about our Go Electric Challenge? Where you show us your paddle-to-power transformation using LiTime batteries. But we've also noticed some truly unique interpretations of the brief. So, is your dog's name from paddle to power? Wow, the moon runs on LiTime now! This fish has definitely gone electric. We appreciate the scale model and the perfect smiles of this happy couple. Just kidding, we love the creativity, but for those who follow the theme, you've blown us away. This is what from paddle to power truly means. The real submissions for our Go Electric Challenge have been absolutely incredible. The contest is still going. Show us your real paddle-to-power conversion for a chance to win and be featured. Go to www.litime.com now. Let's see what you've got.